No. No. Alright, YouTube, we had a bit of a camera glitch. For some reason, we're having an issue with memory card. Not quite sure why. But at this point, we already have the rear shackle on. But where we're at right now is, hopefully, we're gonna get ready to get these spacers in here and start setting up everything as far as getting the right side and taken care of. The left side, I'm gonna have to get under there. I know I still have to cut out one of the shackle bolts there that did get stuck. Okay, this, am I hitting, oh, that bolt, hitting what I'm supposed to. Oh yeah, that's a little iffy. Get this fit in here right. Son of a booger. No, that's not all the way in. Right there. Should be where we need to go. It's still in there all the way. Damn it. I can't see enough to get in there. This light's not worth anything here. So I'm gonna come back a little to get that notch in. Damn it. I'm shaking this whole thing. Still not in. It's gotta be. Nope. It's not. It's just tight. That's all. At least that's what I'm gonna tell myself. Because right now I'm shaking the whole freaking rear. Okay. Go ahead and let this down a little. Not in there all the way. This side doesn't release. There we go. go so far. This picture's not going in all the way. Okay, that's that. Okay, cannot forget these are the T-bolts that go in here. Nice new fancy. Now you have this one. Remember how it went? Just like this. Gotta get the U-bolt up in there. Placed. Tell you, the axle's turned. No. Stuck in the zip line. I remember it was a pain in the ass getting it out because of that. Damn it. Don't I wish I could go over the brake line. What the heck? That ain't gonna work. Did before. Not now. Not for. There we go. Okay. For some reason that ain't looking right. Okay. Right now, the sway bar is not going back in because we're waiting on parts for that. So let's go ahead and put this on for now. If life wants to work with me. There we go. Hopefully, maybe we'll get lucky here. That's the same size as on the gun. Doubt it, but yeah, we'll have to get a bigger socket. All right, gonna grab a bigger socket and we'll be back with you shortly. Okay, so we are back. It is a 17, by the way. On these, can't get down low enough to get a picture of it. Down here, the U-bolt and the T-bolts. So, T-bolts not so much the same. The U-bolts you want to have equally turned. T-bolts right now, that's just until we get the sway bar bushing. See how we look inside here. Oh, nice and tight. That's good. Good, good. See if we can get any more off these T's. A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. A bit more. See if we can see measurement here. Bottom of 4. Same measurements. Okay. Go ahead and get the shock installed. I did have to look at this one real quick. This shock, when I was installing it, had an issue that I gotta fix real quick. I was tightening it, and I guess I tightened it too much, and I actually caught the spring, and the spring came off. Looking, I gotta turn it a little more. There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, just hold me up. Okay. Oh, everything tight. Jack the rear up a little. I'm gonna let it down on this side. No, let me just take it up. Get enough to get that shock. Yep. Let's see if we can get here. Of course, well, I'm gonna get that side to go up because because that side doesn't have a spring on it yet. I hate to do this on the tube. See if I can get anything. It's enough to get that shock on. Not going any further, huh? That sucks. It's okay. We'll cut here in a minute. And what I'm gonna do is rearrange the jack so I can get some more lift on this. We will be back here with an arrangement in a second. Quick update, YouTube. I stopped filming. I had a problem with the camera. I kept saying the memory card was jacked up. We do actually have Trans Am back on its tires. Rear tires, it did raise it up a little bit. We still have to actually snug down the actual leaf spring pivot bolts. Just ran out of time today. Still sitting where it almost looks like the left rear is actually lower than the right rear still. But that being said, we still do have to replace the front springs, and we have all the bushings for lower control arms, ball joints and stuff like I had mentioned before. But I just want to give you guys an update. The right side went together easy. I was starting to cut out that top shackle mount, the bolt, and believe it or not, after shocking it like that a little bit, I was able to get a set of vice grips on there and get that loose, and the right side went up just as easy as the left side. We shall have more once we actually tighten everything down and take it for a ride and find out exactly where it sits before we do the front suspension. Again, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll have an update with Tom's 59 Apache soon. Junior should be working on his S10 soon. And we're bringing this one back, the Harley. I'll be working on that. You see the Ninja over on the left-hand side. We're actually taking and dropping that off tomorrow or Sunday. Back to my friend. So, a lot of projects. We still have the CBR coming in. We have another Harley coming in. We might have that 03 Jeep Wrangler coming here, if not doing it at the owner's house. And more than likely we might have another Trans Am, the white 77. Might be getting worked on also soon. Again, thanks for watching. Click that like and subscribe button and let us know what you think. Thanks.